Datalink, Innovating the Web. Thank you.
Good afternoon. With the brief time I've got today, I'd like to talk to you about MECC Central. That's one of the projects that we've developed over the last 3 years. You may have seen a presentation yesterday by Craig Collins from Alpine Shire. We're the organisation behind that product. You can see it up on the screen now. We're in the process of building version 2 of MECC Central, and I'd like to use it as a case study of how a successful vendor-customer relationship can really innovate on the web. MECC Central is an emergency management product. It's delivered completely over the web. It can either be hosted in a cloud through a software as a service model, or it can be dropped into your data center and run like that. The technology is it's been built using in-house developed systems. I'll flick back to that. There we go. We have a product called Central that is actually a web-based workspace that forms a collaboration technology. And what we did is we took, from a meeting here 3 years ago, we met with Craig and we then discussed the potential of putting some sort of an emergency management system online. From there came MECC Central, which, here we go. Now, MECC Central was used in the Black Saturday bushfires to great success. We're currently working on version 2. Version 2 has another 100 improvements. And the partnership with Alpine Shire means that we've taken a council that has extensive experience in MECC. They're probably one of the most experienced councils running that type of thing in a high-pressure environment. We've developed technology that anybody who can use Facebook can use MECC Central. It's extremely easy. You don't need to learn how to use it before being dumped into that high-pressure environment. We're in the process. Version 1 has been available now for a number of years. Version 2 is in beta starting next week, and we're aiming at that beta being completed in the next month, so it'll be available for summer. We actually have a software as a service model, so if you're looking for something to cover you for this bushfire season, then please give me a call. We have a number of other products. I'll briefly run through them. CouncilView is a product that is a mashup of GIS data and PR data out of your CMS. This was developed with Wyndham City Council. It's being deployed out to other councils now. What it does is it gives a single view for a resident after entering their postcode, after entering their address. It'll give you a single view as a resident of what's going on. When's your rubbish collected, which day of week it is, all those types of things. And it's also software as a service. Finally, there's a product called PriorSite, which is emerging for us. This was developed in partnership with a financial services company. And PriorSite takes a snapshot of your website, a visual snapshot of your website from what the public would see of it, and it's intended for archival. It's compliant with the National Archives requirements, and it will snapshot your social networking sites as well. So it can give you not just ability, or you can roll back maybe through your CMS, but you won't be able to tell me what it looked like on IE6 5 years ago. PriorSite's the technology for that, and it's a software as a service as well. Everything we do goes onto mobile devices. MECC Central running on the iPad, just up here. And what I'd like to leave you with is the message that Datalink has these products, and if any of these are interesting to you, then give me a call. I'll put my mobile up here if you wanted to chat to me later today. The other thing is that all of these were built using partnerships, very successful vendor-customer relationships. And if you have an itch to scratch, give me a call. Thanks very much.